guys, how's it going? I'm gonna make this really quick because this is gonna be a long episode of Cole. I did not make a video on Thanksgiving. Sorry for those of you who do not care, because I know many of you guys don't. At 8 subscribers, I'm happy. Thank you, by the way. And Christmas time is coming up. News by Cole. Very good. So the other day, my teacher was talking, and she told us how to find the volume of a cylinder. Let's say this is a 9 by 11 sheet of paper, which it's not. 9 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Let's say that. And so yeah, a cylinder, if you don't know, looks like that. And they're saying basically that when you roll it, when you roll it this way, it's different volume than if you roll it this way. Now, I agree with that I agree with that to a certain extent. It's kind of maddening because you can't, they say it's different volume, but that's impossible technically. When you use the same piece of paper, that's technically impossible because it's the same. I mean, it's the same volume. Oh, I have something right there. And what I mean is, when you fold it like this, there's no base. And the teachers, what they do is they'll grab a base from some magical land and put it on. You can't do that. That's not how it works. You have to physically cut off right here, cut off 2 strips for the base, and then add them on. Because you can't just take a base from some other random worldly area. If that makes sense. But you can't just like grab a base from something that's not there and then put it on and then say it's from the sheet. So because the surface area of something like this is going to be different from the surface, like 9 by 11. It's supposed to be 99 square inches. Where if you go like this and then you add on the random base, it's going to be some other unknown, probably known, I just don't want to do the math, square inches. And that's not how it works. You've got to, if this makes any sense, please tell me. What? Anyways, if you know what I mean, it basically, like, the base, they're adding on bases for something that's out there. And I'm going to eventually get it wrong because that's the way I think. I think illogically, but in the end, it turns out logic. I'm going to do this one more time. When you make something like this, it's got more volume, or it can hold more than if you roll it in a long way, or a hot dog way, I'll say. And that is, to a certain extent. But you can't create the thing, a closed cylinder, without bases. So you'd have to cut off the base you'd have to like cut off some of the sheet to add on to the base, to make the base somehow. I don't know how you do it, but this is probably really confusing and you guys don't care, but it makes me mad because they're cheating! They're cheating! Anyways, please tell me if you understand this in the comments, if you even watched it this far. But yeah, I honestly, if you agree with me, please like or something, or dislike, like or dislike. This is so stupid, because it makes no sense. You can't grab the base from some la loopsy land. Bye, guys.